Imagine sending a secret message, a message so important it needs to be delivered discreetly. But instead of using traditional methods, you decide to transmit it through a string of marshmallows. What happens? Your message would quickly get lost in the sticky, sugary goo. The individual marshmallows would clump together, the message would become illegible, and the recipient would be left scratching their head in confusion. That's what happens in your brain when things go wrong with its protective coating. It's like trying to send a vital message through a sticky, unreliable medium. Specifically, that's what happens when its protective coating, crucial for efficient communication, is damaged. Your brain's nerve fibers, the pathways for these vital messages, are wrapped in myelin, a fatty layer that acts like insulation on a wire, ensuring signals travel quickly and cleanly. To make it easier to visualize, think of it as perfectly toasted marshmallows, creating a sweet and protective barrier, shielding your nerves. Myelin is essential because it lets signals zip along at top speed, ensuring rapid communication throughout your nervous system. This rapid communication is what allows your body and mind to stay in sync, enabling smooth, coordinated movements and quick thinking. However, in multiple sclerosis or MS, a serious condition arises that disrupts this crucial protective layer. In MS, the body's own immune system mistakenly identifies this marshmallow armor as a threat and attacks it, ultimately leaving the delicate nerves exposed and vulnerable. This damaged myelin means messages slow down significantly or in some cases get completely lost along the way, leading to a breakdown in communication. This disruption in communication manifests in various symptoms such as weak legs, making walking difficult and impacting mobility. It can also lead to blurry vision, making it hard to see clearly and affecting daily life. This leads us to the big question: can we rebuild this crucial armor and restore proper communication? The good news is that scientists are racing to find ways to regrow myelin, to repair the damage and restore function. This exciting process is called remyelination, and it holds immense promise for treating MS. Successfully inducing remyelination could effectively repair the brain's wiring, restoring the vital connections that have been damaged. This, in turn, could restore lost abilities, allowing individuals to regain their mobility, vision, and overall quality of life. How cool is that? The potential to repair the brain and restore lost function is truly amazing. Let's zoom in to understand what happens when myelin, that crucial protective layer, begins to disappear. We're diving deep into the microscopic world where the drama of demyelination unfolds. In MS, the immune system misidentifies myelin for an enemy and launches a full-scale attack, targeting this essential component of the nervous system. This assault leaves behind damaged patches, visible on brain scans as lesions, disrupting the normal functioning of the brain and spinal cord. Without myelin, nerves can't send electrical signals properly. The messages become garbled and slow, hindering communication throughout the nervous system. The resulting symptoms depend on which nerves are affected by this demyelination process. This can manifest as vision problems, numbness, or weakness in the limbs. But the brain has a repair crew, a built-in mechanism to try and counteract the damage. These are OPCs, or oligodendrocyte precursor cells, often referred to as baby myelin-making cells, poised to step in and regenerate the lost myelin. When damage strikes, OPCs rush to the site of injury, migrating to the lesions to patch things up and restore the myelin sheath. Over time, though, the repair process can falter and fail. The regenerative capacity of the OPCs can become overwhelmed. This can be due to too much damage, too much inflammation hindering the repair process. The challenge that faces researchers and scientists: how do we create an environment where we help these cells do their job effectively, promoting myelin repair and regeneration? That's where science steps in, with researchers dedicated to finding innovative ways to protect myelin and enhance the brain's natural repair mechanisms. Remyelination is a three-part quest. First, we need more OPCs, boosting the brain's supply of repair cells. Second, those cells must reach the damaged spots. Scientists are searching for ways to guide them. Third, the cells must mature and rebuild myelin. But MS lesions are a tough neighborhood. Cleaning up the environment is key so OPCs can thrive. Each step is a huge challenge, but researchers are making progress on all fronts. For the first time, we have real tools to tackle these problems. The dream of repairing the brain's armor is closer than ever. The quest continues. Quick break. If you're enjoying this science adventure, hit like and subscribe to stay updated on breakthroughs in brain research. Your support helps us bring you the latest on MS, remyelination, and more. We're building a community of science fans. Join us. Now, back to the quest. What real-world treatments are on the horizon? Are there pills, therapies, or strategies that can help? Let's dive into the world of clinical trials and see what's next. The science gets really interesting from here. How are we fighting back? There's no single cure yet, but scientists are testing new drugs and strategies. BTK inhibitors are promising. They may calm the immune system and help repair myelin. Trials are ongoing, and hope is high for a pill that stops damage and promotes repair. But it's not just about medicine. Exercise is a powerful ally. Physical activity reduces inflammation and may help the brain grow new repair cells. The future of MS treatment is a combination drugs, lifestyle changes, and personal action. Imagine a plan that blends medication with movement for optimal brain health. It's a holistic approach, and it's gaining momentum. The best strategy is teamwork. Science and self-care together. We're at a turning point, a pivotal moment where the landscape of neuroscience is rapidly evolving. The possibilities that lie ahead are immense, filled with the promise of groundbreaking discoveries and innovative treatments. In neuroscience, we're delving deeper into the complexities of the brain than ever before, unlocking secrets that were once considered beyond our reach. Remyelination works in animals, showing incredible promise in preclinical studies. These findings offer a beacon of hope, demonstrating the potential for myelin repair and nerve regeneration. But translating that to humans is the big challenge. The human brain is far more complex, and the journey from lab to clinic requires rigorous testing and innovative approaches. Clinical trials are underway, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in treating demyelinating diseases. These trials are crucial steps in evaluating the safety and efficacy of new therapies, and the next breakthrough could be just around the corner. The dedication and ingenuity of researchers worldwide are driving us closer to transformative treatments. Imagine doctors using a treatment cocktail, a personalized blend of therapies tailored to each individual's unique needs, to help brains rebuild themselves, repairing damaged myelin and restoring lost function. This is becoming a real goal. The scientific community is united in its pursuit of effective remyelination strategies. While we wait, remember, it's important to stay proactive and engaged in your own well-being. Movement matters. Physical activity plays a vital role in maintaining brain health and function. Every step and stretch helps your brain, promoting neuroplasticity and overall well-being. Staying informed is powerful, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health. Knowledge makes you your own best advocate. Understanding your condition and treatment options is key to navigating your healthcare journey. The quest for remyelination is a story of scientific exploration, a journey filled with dedication and perseverance, progress and setbacks, as researchers navigate the complexities of the nervous system, and hope. Hope for a future where myelin repair is a reality for everyone affected by demyelinating diseases. The road is long, and the challenges are significant, but the destination is in sight. We are closer than ever to unlocking the secrets of remyelination. Keep learning, stay curious, and continue to explore the latest advancements in brain health. Keep moving, both physically and mentally, to support your brain's resilience. And stay tuned for the next chapter in brain science. The future of neuroscience is bright, and we're excited to share it with you.